Hi, it's Nami. I'm gonna do my makeup and my hair today. I'm gonna film a bleach video, so I want to make my makeup cute. I just put my foundation all over my face. But I'm gonna do a simple look today, not something crazy. Because yesterday I wore a full face. So today I'm gonna do something simple. Get the crevices of my nose. And blush. I'm gonna use a lilac blush, but I do have a pimple I want to cover first. Where's my concealer? I've never used this blush on its own, so we'll see how it looks. I might go over with another blush, depending on what it looks like. Oh, it's cute. It's like pastel-y. Yeah. You can barely see it. It's really light. Like almost brightening blush. I like to put on my bottom of my nose and my chin to shorten my face because my face is pretty long. I'm gonna highlight and contour. I'm using the Ofra highlighter. This one is really pretty. Just at the bridge of my nose. Tip of my nose. And Cupid's bow. And then I'm going to contour with my Giorgio Armani contour. Just going down the sides of my nose. Shorten my nose with the nose tip contour. I'm going to contour my Cupid's bow. Create more definition. Contour my lips. And then I'm going to contour my face. And then I'm gonna go in with my pastel blush. This one, one of my best friends gave it to me from Korea. It's the Romand blush, and you can see that it's pretty similar to the blush that I use. It's like a pastel pink. I'm actually going to use the same brush that I used for my contour. Just add a pop of color. And on the tip of my nose. And on my chin. Now, for my eye makeup, I'm doing something really simple like I mentioned. I'm just gonna do browns. And I'm not doing anything sparkly. Let's go in with the neutral brown all over the lid. And then I'm going in with the dark brown on my lid. And then I'm gonna pull these under my eyes. So going in with a flat angled brush, I'm going in with the light color under my eye to highlight or contour my eagle side. This will make my eyes bigger, and also it will shorten my face too. And then I'm gonna go in with the darker color under my lower thirds. And I'm taking the dark brown on my crease line just a little bit to elongate my eyes. Okay, I'm gonna top it off with mascara after curling my lashes. And then, actually I am going to highlight my inner corners, just my inner corners with the same Ofra highlighter. Just a little bit. And I'm going to highlight my cheeks too. My Cupid's bow. Not Cupid's bow, what is this called? Brow bone. And then mascara. Rare Beauty's mascara is so good. Their volumizing mascara, it lasts all day too. I'm just gonna do my top lashes. Yesterday I did my bottom lashes too, but today I want a simple look. I'm not even gonna wear eyeliner because I have my eyeliner tattooed. And then for my lips, I usually do a lip combo, but today I'm just using the Fat Slick Click oil from NYX. And I'm going to apply this to the inside of my lips. It's pretty bright, so I'm going to blend it out with my finger. And I'm also going to blend it up to my Cupid's bow. And whatever's left on my finger, I like to add a little bit more blush color to my nose and chin. And that is it for today's look. This is what it looks like. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.